Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning, we're gonna do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Now, this Thunderbird is an E-code car, which translates into a 312 engine with dual 4-barrel Holley carburetors. It is an E-engine code car. This car has been rotisserie restored at one point. I don't know how many years ago it's been since the restoration. The car still shows very, very nice today. The paint is very nice on the car. The body is very nice. The interior, just an all-around very nice car, a very high-quality car. This car came out of a private collection. We got several cars out of the collection, and this is one of them. Nice little sign here for it. 57 Ford Thunderbird, 312 cubic inch E-code, fitted with twin 4-barrel carburetors, 3-speed Ford 4-matic transmission, power seats, power steering, removable top, gunmetal gray with a white top. Of course, it is a 57. It's got the porthole top. There's the carburetors, Ford Thunderbird valve covers. This is a very, very high quality car. The undercarriage is painted body color. Walking around the car, I don't see too many imperfections at all. One little scuff right here, but I don't know. I think that'll buff right off there. I don't know what that deal is. But yeah, the paint is really nice on this car. You can see all your jams are very nice as well. Bottom side of your trunk, spare tire, your jack. Car cover in there. That's a nice heavy car cover. Wide white wall, tire to match. The chrome is in very good shape on this car. It's been all redone. Interior, gorgeous white interior in this car. Black carpeting, white dash. Dash is in very good shape. Kind of neat. I guess I never really noticed that they had Thunderbirds in them door panels like that. Did you notice that?
I did not. That's pretty cool.
This car was in a pretty prestigious collection. This gentleman had some very, very nice cars. And this is no different. This is a very nice car. 34,000 miles on this car. I know this guy, and when he bought this car, he told me that the miles were actual on this car. Of course, you know, it's an old car. There's no way to come out and prove that, but I really believe that the miles are right. It's got so many keys on this key ring. I got to find the right square one. There we go. There's your dash lights. The tack is not working. Radio works. Wipers work. Got a Town and Country radio in it. Dome light works. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator. It's got power seats as well. Power seats work. There's your left turn signal. There's your right turn signal, your license plate light. Horn works. I think all the lights in the car work. Right turn signal, left turn signal, headlights, bright and dim, they all work. I think everything seems to be working pretty good on this car. Very nice car. Wide white walls, their radials, they seem to, they look really new. Man, what a great car. I've seen several of these E-Birds here recently, you know, advertised, and people want 79, 89, 99,000 for them. We're not going to get greedy with this car. We're going to price this car at $69,900. I think that's a great price. I think that's a great price on a great car, especially a rare car like an E-Bird. These cars don't come around just every day. Seems like every time I want to buy one of these cars, they want $80,000, $90,000 for them. So we got a decent deal on the car, so we're going to pass that savings right on to the customers. And car sure drives nice. Speedometer works. Good car. Yeah, it drives like a dream. The seat's pretty comfortable too.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah, it's a real good car, everybody. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. KINION We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every single day. So give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about this beautiful E-Bird 57 Thunderbird. Someone's going to really love this car. So give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. We'll get her back the other way here, and a little more of a drive video quick, and then we'll take her back to the shop. We got a lot of water. Must have rained a lot last night here.
It did. It's supposed to get a lot of rain all week.
Not really in the mood for too much rain. I got too much work, outside work to do. Smooth. The gas gauge says right at E. I think we're on the verge of not having enough gas in it, so we're not going to get on it too much. But great car, everybody. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching our video.